In this video, we're going to show you 10 natural hacks to boost your immunity. Let's get started. 1. Herbal teas. Polyphenol antioxidants can be found in many herbal teas. Researchers believe that flavonoids in tea encourage cell health and lubricate the mucous membranes of the throat, easing discomfort and preventing mucus buildup. Antiviral teas do not need to be saved until you're sick. Enjoy ginger, lemongrass, lemon balm, sage, lemon verbena, elderflower, elderberry, peppermint tea, and chamomile on their own or as blends to soothe and perk up your immune system. 2. Raw garlic. You can take a garlic supplement, but the real deal is better. Raw garlic has flu-fighting components that are more bioavailable than processed versions like pills, powders, and other processed forms. Raw garlic is so effective thanks to allicin, the active component that gives it its antimicrobial, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. Folks who regularly chow down on fresh garlic have fewer colds and recover more quickly when they do not get sick. 3. Eat sweet potatoes. While refined carbs will lower your immunity, the high-fiber and nutritious carbs found in sweet potatoes are excellent health boosters. They are rich in carotenoids, which can improve your body's defenses against harmful toxins and the flu bug. Carotenoids are also found in other foods, including egg yolks, golden squashes, carrots, and pumpkin. 4. Eat grass-fed meat. Grass-fed beef and other red meats are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, B vitamins, and more. They also contain immune-supportive minerals like iron and zinc. So eat more beef and bison meatloaf, short ribs, and pot roast to boost your health. 5. Greens. This won't surprise anyone, but eating leafy greens is essential for good immunity. Essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, calcium, and magnesium, not to mention fiber and tons of antioxidants, await you in the produce section. While all green vegetables will have benefits, the most nutrient-dense options include collard greens, kale, turnip greens, spinach, watercress, and broccoli. 6. Eat mushrooms. Vitamin D is essential for health and immunity, and mushrooms are one of the few foods that contain higher levels of this nutrient. Not only can mushrooms of various kinds fight fungal infections and disease, but they even have anti-cancer properties. 7. Fermented foods. Fermented foods are rich in probiotics. Ferments like kraut, sour pickles, and kimchi are not only delicious, but they have immunity-boosting properties. You're only as healthy as your gut, so eating foods that benefit healthy and happy digestion is the best way to maintain immunity when cold and flu season arrive. 8. Bone broth. Soup is good for the body, but bone broth takes the benefits to the next level. Bone broth is made by adding apple cider vinegar, vegetables, and high-quality grass-fed animal bones to simmering water for several hours. Chicken, beef, or even fish bones can be used individually or even combined for homemade broth. Bone broth can help detoxify the body and cleanse the liver. It also contains glycine, which is helpful for mental clarity and can help you sleep. Bone broth will help keep your gut healthy and can also reduce inflammation and fight respiratory infections in the body. 9. Warm lemon water. Warm water slightly heats the gastrointestinal tract, and lemon is rich in minerals and vitamins. Together, this simple tonic can help to loosen toxins so that they can cruise through and out of your body with ease. 10. Golden milk. Golden milk is a creamy turmeric-spiked drink that has recently been added to menus on coffee and tea shops in the United States and has its origins in Eastern medicine. Turmeric's active ingredient is curcumin, which has been touted as being anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antifungal. This drink is a warm and soothing alternative to coffee or tea any time of the day, but especially at night. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want more natural-based remedies, then check out the Lost Book of Remedies. It's a hugely popular book on the healing power of plant medicine, and you can check our review or watch a video explaining more about the book by clicking on the link within this screen or in the description below. You won't be disappointed.